station here, but we're going to go ahead and open it up. What I love about the Macs is oftentimes when you open them up, it's good to open it from the middle of the device and just basically open it up to where you're able to see it itself. Now, you'll hear that chiming sound. That's how you know that you're getting ready to get your Mac started. For those of you who need to repair it or go through some kind of setup in regards to, checking some internal things and things like that, you can basically hold the command key and R down as you're starting up the Mac. That will take you to the login screen. Now, and your fingerprint will allow you to basically sign into the device. If you need to log into the Mac itself, you also have that option as well, using your password that is supplied to the like to tell people, and this is very interesting right here. Anytime if you're on any keyboard whatsoever, especially on your Macs, if you notice some of the keys that I have here, looks like they're kind of a little bit faded in a sense. And that's from the oils on your skin. If you're used to eating lunch, things like that on your Mac, you do not want to do that on the device itself. But what I want you to focus on is some of the keyboard shortcuts. So if you want to take some of the most common shortcuts that you would use if you are, pretty much a really good active user on your computer, is you have a couple of different keyboard shortcut functions. The Command and C is similar to your Control C on like your Windows computer. Control C copy, Control V paste, Control P is print, Control I is italicize, Control B is bold, and so forth. On the Mac, it's the Command key. So you're using like Command B for bold, Command C to copy, Command V to paste. You have Command F to find, Command I for italicize, then Command U for underline, Command B for bold, Command A for select all, and then you also have Command P to print. Now, one other cool thing on the Mac, and the Windows has this, but you have to use the snipping tool by pushing the Windows key on a Mac. I'm sorry, on the Windows computer, and then pushing and typing the Finder there. And what you're doing is when you on the Windows computer, press the Windows key, type in snipping tool, it's going to find that window that you can use to take a picture of the screen or using print screen. But on the Mac, there's two functions and shortcuts. So do Command Shift and then the number 3 is going to take a picture of the whole screen. Command Shift and 4 is going to give you a selection, and that selection you just basically use to select whatever's on your screen. And when you figure out what portion that you want, you left click first on the bottom of your trackpad, and then you use your finger and your gesture to capture the window that you want on there. And I just want to kind of physically show you the key presses there. For those of you that have the touch bar, you can also use the touch bar across the top there if you want. You have 4 USB-C ports that you can use to plug in external devices as well. And then you have your biometric touch here where you can actually log into the device itself. But these computers you don't want to open up. You want to take it to, of course, an Apple store to get service. But I want to kind of show you just a couple of the shortcut commands that are here. And so people, like, listen, and subscribe. DevTech 101 Black Mantle. Look forward to bringing more content to you soon.